Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'm showing you basically a failed experiment of me trying to do curlformers on my whole head. It wasn't exactly a failed attempt, but it became fail when I separated it, as you can see. So I'm starting out on hair that is stretched out. You can do a braid out or use whatever stretching method that you use to stretch out your hair, and that's what mine looks like right now. So these are the curlformers. I used them in a previous video. I'll insert a picture so you can see, but I got them from Amazon and I basically tried them in that video. I was like, oh, I like it, so I have to try it on my whole head. So this is what they look like. They're basically a tube and they have an opening on both sides, and in the pack they also come with a hook that looks like this. You basically attach it together and then it becomes a long hook, and you're basically just going to use this hook to pull your hair through the tube. So you insert the hook through the tube like so, and then after doing that, then you hook it onto your hair and you pull your hair through the tube. But to do this, I'm going to use the African Pride Shea Miracle Pudding, and I'm also going to use Lotta Body Mousse, and I'll use castor oil to separate my hair after. So I thought this would be enough to hold the curl. Oh, you're going to need something to detangle your hair and clips or hair ties to hold your hair. So I did the rest of it and just came to show you guys like the remaining section, because I mean there's no point in showing you the same thing over and over again. So a key thing for this hairstyle is making sure that your hair is detangled. So as you can see right now, I'm adding the African Pride, and I think this was the first mistake that I made. I shouldn't have added the product because it made the hair shrink some more. And then I went ahead and added the mousse right now, as you can see. And then I'm just going in with this comb again just to make sure everything is detangled, because my hair was detangled, like it wasn't really pulling my hair, so it was okay for me to use that comb on my natural hair. So as you can see, I'm just twisting the bottom, and then after twisting it, I'm going to take the hook and hook it onto my hair, and then I hold the bottom of the tube with my hand, and then I basically just pull the hair through it. It's a little uncomfortable for the first few when you do them, but after you get a hang of it, it's fairly easy to do. So I'm just going to show you guys another one. Again, I'm twisting the bottom of my hair, and then I'm taking the hook that already has like the tube, and I'm basically just going to pull the tube and pull my hair through. Well, you're pulling the hook, sorry, not the tube. So as you can see, like even though my hair was stretched out at the beginning, when I added the product, my hair became again shrunken out like I had just washed it. So I think maybe that is what's contributing to the fail attempt, or maybe I just need to use gel, because honestly when I remove the curls, they look great, which you'll see like in the next few clips. The curls do, like, they look great, but they're just not holding when I separate my hair. But let me finish this and then you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this is just the last one that I'm going to do. Again, twisting the bottom and then hooking the end and pulling the hair through the tube. As you can see, I was excited to be done. So I had a few pieces left from the pack. To be honest, I thought like since I did they're fairly big compared to the ones that I did in the previous video, I thought they wouldn't turn out, and I thought they would not fit my whole head, but I had 4 left at the end, which I was like, oh, okay. So it does fit the whole head comfortably. So I'm going to remove the first curl, and you guys look at it. Like, look, the curl is there. It's seriously there. But once I separate this stuff, it looks like a hot mess. So I don't know, like, do you guys have any pointers? Is there something that you do that you use different to make sure that the curl is holding even after you separate it? Because girl, I don't know what I did. I think next time I'll try and just use gel, but I'm going to do this experiment until this thing actually comes out the way I want it to look like, because I'm not playing with this. Guys, we're going to make this work. I spent this money on these things. Like, I have to make sure that they're actually working out, because I actually really like the curl pattern and how it looks like, and I love how full my hair looks like with these curls. So I'm going to work on this and perfect it as much as it needs to be perfected. But look at it. So once I start separating the hair, it basically looks frizzy and the curls don't hold as nice. So it's like I either wear it just like that without separating it, which looks like I have like 2 pieces of hair on my head, or separate it and lose the curl, which I still have like a nice looking afro-ish, like with a nice texture to it, but the curls are just not as defined as they are at the beginning when you remove the curlformers on them. So this is my failed attempt, guys. Like what do you think? Would you guys still rock it like this, or do you think it's just not worth it as at this point? Again, if you have any pointers on how I can make the curls actually stay, please let me know in the comment section. Or if there's a product that you think would actually help, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to try this experiment probably like 2 more times with 2 other different products that I have in my head that I think might work. So you guys let me know if you've actually done it and your curls actually stayed. Let me know what product you use down below. But this is just me. Like, I went in with an afro comb to pick up the roots just to make it look fuller, as you can see, and it really does look full. I love how my hair looks. I love how it feels and everything. It's just not what I was going for, you know. So just to finish the look, because girl, we have to finish the look and keep it moving, I'm going in with these earrings, and I love these earrings too. I got them from Masai Market again. You can probably find them on Etsy if you look, but I don't know the name of it, so I don't know what you'll be looking for. But this is it for the hairstyle, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. I mean, you don't have to like the last you don't have to like the hairstyle. You just need to like me, okay? Because this was a failed attempt, but I hope you enjoyed it. Have a lovely week. I'll see you guys on Saturday. Bye.